Here is everything going to the machine shop right now. In just a few minutes, I'm gonna load it up. Alright, we're here at the machine shop, dropping everything off.
Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's IllRoller16 bringing you guys a quick update video. It's been a couple weeks since we took the motor apart, and I just want to keep, those who have subscribed or checking out the build or whatever, an update so you know what's coming up. So pretty much the machine shop reached out to me and let me know the status of my engine. So first thing, they told me that the head has a warp issue and that it may not be repairable, or they may not recommend it for the power levels that I'm going for. So it's a BP4W head. Right now, Miatas themselves prices are skyrocketing, and so are the parts. So I'm trying to find a replacement BP4W head as soon as possible with the price that I'm comfortable paying. I'm just gonna wait it out and wait till I find a BP4W head. I also check all the local junkyards and auto recyclers weekly to see if there was a BP4W or a 99 Miata that comes into the yard that can go pull the head off. But as of right now, that's the major setback. Worst case scenario, I do have a BP05 head that I can get machined and I know is good, but then I would have to drill out my intake manifold because I got a custom intake manifold for the BP4W and the flanges aren't interchangeable. So I would have to drill it out for the BP05 head or sell it and get a new manifold. So these are all things that come into play here. I don't want to go back to a stock manifold. I want to use a manifold that I bought. Next thing is the block. They let me know that it needs to be bored out. So the block is a standard bore, but they said due to the scoring and the contamination on the block, they're gonna have to overbore it to, I believe, 86 millimeters. And my pistons, which are pretty much brand new from Supertech, they're Ford Supertech pistons, 9.5 to 1, barely have a little over 1,000 miles on them, but they're for stock bore. So I do not want to buy new pistons. So I luckily have 2 more blocks that are standard bore, and I'm gonna take them to the machine shop and let them tell me which one works best. Also, in addition to that, they let me know that the rods, the powder rods, are toast. They're pretty much done. So that's to be expected. I mean, you saw the heat coloration on them on episode 2. So I need to get new rods. And I'm looking at Eagle, Manley, Supertech, Carrillo. I did have a manufacturer reach out to me about some engine internals. However, they're overseas and I really don't want to go that route right now. I want to make sure everything's done reliably so that I could have some peace of mind. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with the reputable brand. I'm looking at weight and strength to reach my power goals. In the meantime though, I'm gonna keep recording other videos. I'm not gonna stop producing the content. I'm looking for ways to produce more content for me to connect with you guys and vice versa. So I'm gonna be starting a POV driving of the MX-3s as they're available. So right now the one I have available is my daily, the All Motor Project. So even though it's nothing spectacular now as far as performance goes, it'll be cool to see the evolution of it. I'll do some at night, some during the day. Stay tuned for that. Also, in the meantime, I've also been going to the junkyard. I got a lot of MZR parts for the MZR swap.
So we're here to get some MZR parts from this NC Miata. Probably gonna take this valve cover, maybe the oil pan. All right, this is what we got for under 50 bucks. Aluminum MZR valve cover, drive-by-wire. And then a 6-speed shifter and cables.
Hopefully I have everything. I have the turbo car back up and running, hopefully by the end of summer, the way things are looking. And then the MZR swap is probably gonna be towards the end of the year, the way it's looking right now. Let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns. I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned. We will get this done, guys. So this is Ilrola 16 checking out. Salute.